Alright guys, another day of racing. Today we are heading to Houston Raceway Park, Cleetus and cars. As you can see, I am sitting in the Corvette C8. We're taking that out there. Maybe we're going to take it down the track. I don't know. And then behind me is actually Colin with my rig. Should be a pretty fun day. The weather was actually looking really good. I woke up this morning and it's pretty overcasty and a little bit of sprinkling going on this side of town. Hopefully that side of town is dry. But we are currently on our way there. And I can't wait to get back to racing. Where'd that Camaro go? I don't know. So today's plan, I'm getting the Bullet ready to make those passes. We're gonna try to get up there early and first so that we can take advantage of the prep, because I think later on, once the street cars start going, it's gonna struggle to hold the tire. So we'll see what it does. Leave the tune-up alone, go make a 7-second pass. We'll see. But the first pass is gonna be against Harry. We gotta break him in the right way, show him what he needs to be shooting for. So we're gonna race him, and then I'm gonna give him whatever he wants, 60 foot, whatever he wants, he can have it. But then, there's Harry's dad right there. After that, I'm actually gonna be racing the C8 as well, which you're gonna see in a separate video, but it is also out here, and we're gonna be racing it too. So it should be a fun and eventful day.
Solomon, you know we always Trans Am today. He said he won't race me today.
Why not?
He's like,
I said,
we race you all the time.
Race that Mustang first, and then I'd race him. Because we raced like a million times.
Right? It's a million and one.
It's a million and
People
one.
on the channel want to see the racing.
I want to see you race someone else.
They're not tired of watching me gap you.
Oh my God.
Dang.
Barely beats me. I gapped him. Barely beats me.
Hey, tell him to give you the hit.
I'd beat him for sure. He knows it too. He would leave before me. He'd be like, "Nah, I was just joking. I'm not gonna give you the hit." The hit is crucial for one.
Oh yeah.
Because you're either gonna spin or you're not gonna spin.
Yeah.
So I don't think I would ever ask for
like 10 minutes.
Where?
Up to Lions.
Oh, you're about to go up there?
Yeah.
You already ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Who are you gonna race? Who are you racing?
I'm racing Harry first.
I should have made a sign like, put in front of your car, I'm racing everybody. Who wants it?
Who wants it?
Who wants
you
it?
get it.
You get it. Yes.
What have you done since the last time?
The last time?
Still got the same Huron kit.
Still got the same Huron kit.
Shout out to John at Huron Speed.
Force Seduction turbos.
Yep.
I relocated the alternator.
You've done some lightweight mods, I see.
Yeah, there's nothing here anymore.
Little cutting.
No more wire.
Cutting.
Yeah.
What happened to, I'm never going to cut this car?
No, this was before. This was previous stuff to make stuff.
That's me over there.
Yeah, that's me over there. We had too much fun with the plasma cutter.
Once you start the plasma cutter, it's hard to stop it.
Yeah, it's so easy, bro. It's just like, I knew this was gonna happen.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Let's go, Harry. If you don't say nothing, we're gonna run heads up. You better get it now. You better get used to it. Get what you can.
He doesn't typically give you whatever you want, so be happy he's giving you something. This is how he breaks them in, Harry.
Yeah,
this is how he breaks them in.
This is how you got to get broken in this.
This is when you go back home and you go spend more money.
Yeah.
Juan is bullying me, guys.
Yep.
He's bullying me.
I'm just setting where you need your line, where you need to shoot for.
You're making it kind of blow up my tempo.
Yeah, I want to see it sky high.
We'll see.
All right, so you ready?
Heads up.
Heads up? Heads up?
Nah, my car's full is too slow.
What do you want to do? You want me to give you the hit?
Yeah.
And let you out a little bit? Whenever I think I'm ready, I'll go?
Whatever you want. Whatever you think.
What do you think, Solomon?
What should I think of what? Who's gonna win or what?
No,
She
what
wants
I
you to
think-
give him. You should give him the. I would say give him a car and a hit, but that's gonna be impossible.
Okay.
But how about you give him the hit and then you wait and then you go.
Okay, that's what I'll do. All right. Lock
Should-
it. Lock it in. There we go.
Should I take off on 2 pounds? See if I could get extra runs today. Should I take off on 6?
6.
6?
I mean, I forgot 10
Make
volts.
the man blow it up first pass.
Don't blow it up against mine.
All right, we'll
All
see.
right.
$768, 174. Hell yeah.
Oh, something's ticking.
Hey, bro, that was 4 pounds.
Huh?
That was 4 pounds.
Good job, buddy. Proud of you. I thought I heard a ticking at the end there, but I think it developed exhaust leak somewhere. What'd it run?
768 at 170.
Hell yeah.
Is that the same tune as last time?
It's the exact same tune-up. The only difference, stator.
You can tell the
Stator.
transmission. You can tell the transmission a lot
Oh, I
happier.
love the stator, right? I was telling people last week that I thought this car had a new personal best in it. We hit it today, 7.6, 174 miles per hour. Obviously, the new stator is using the power more efficiently than the old stator. The only issue that we're having is just a small exhaust leak that I noticed at the end of the track that we can get fixed. That's not a big issue. Yeah, that's pretty fast. I really, honestly, if you would have asked me last year, I would have said, I don't think this car has a 7.6 or 7.5 in it, but obviously it does. It proved me wrong, but 7.6 new personal best. Leave a like for me if you're excited as I am. Big shout out to Harry for lining up. If you haven't checked his channel out, make sure you go out there and check his channel out. My boy's got his Camaro out here. It's finally running and it's running pretty good. And I'm proud of him. He's come a long way. Second pass is getting ready to be made. I didn't change much in the tune-up other than 1 pound on top and the boost curve just a little bit more aggressive coming in, but just a hair. So really it probably won't pick up anything faster unless I shift it a little better, but other than that it should relatively be the same. So I aborted just a little bit early because I felt like I could hear the exhaust leak getting louder, and I just didn't want to risk it. So I just aborted it. Still went 7.7, 170. It danced a little bit on the big end, so that also had something to do with it. But the exhaust leak got worse. It's getting worse, so there's no sense in just keep pushing it. We'll fix it and we'll come back out. I know the next event I think we're gonna try to shoot for is the 8th mile race here in Houston, the flashlight shootout as well. All of those should be really fun events, but that's coming up, so we got to get this thing fixed. And yeah, go have some more fun with it. Do me a favor, make sure you leave that like for the new personal best on the Bullet 7.6 ET. It's moving, and I think it's got a little more in it. This close to hitting the new personal best on the 8th mile. It went 5:00:01. That close to a 4.9. Never been 4s before, so we're almost there. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you here, and that's it for now. I'm gonna get back to work.